Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can import models into Roblox Studio. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, first of all, we just have to access our Roblox Studio from our web browser. Once we've done that, you can tap on this start creating, and then before that, make sure you're logged in as well. Then once we have logged in, we're gonna be going to the start creating section if you haven't created any avatar yet, and then you can see it's gonna let you know what is it required. We have to download a Roblox Studio app itself. Once we have downloaded that, we have to go to the Studio installer in our browser's download history. And then on Windows, this is how the file gonna appear, and on the Mac also, this is how the file gonna appear. After we have downloaded our Studio, there will be a pop-up confirmation. We have to confirm that. Again, we have to go through the sign-in process. Once we have signed in, to access the import function, we have to navigate to the avatar option in the Roblox Studio. Once we're over there, we simply have to select the file, which will be clicking the import 3D to open a file browser and choose your desired 3D model file. If you have created, if you haven't, go ahead, create one. And then after selecting the file, we just have to click import and the model will be imported. That's how it works. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.